Lol. Where should we
Bro,
go?
can they hear us?
Yeah.
Can
Lol.
they hear us?
Who?
Like the recording.
Yeah, I guess it can hear you.
Oh,
It's
so
the device recording. I don't use apps for that. Let's go to pier.
yeah, up here. Yeah, it's damn near. We
Genius.
can go. Lord.
Okay, let's go. Oh, you are the jump leader.
Oh boy, I am the jump
Yeah, I
leader.
thought it was me, so I just clicked off. It went up for a double click. I can
I
reach.
guess I can't reach.
I
I
can
can't.
reach.
Even I can. Even I can. But I need. Okay,
Okay,
I'm a
bro.
bit late, but
There's
I
a
can.
guy coming to pier.
Guy and all. I don't
No,
care.
bro. Two guys are coming. Two
Two
guys are coming.
people are. Bro, first take guns. Oh, bro, they needed to come near me itself.
Bro, come this side. Come this side. Come this side. I want to fight, bro.
Wait,
It's
wait,
been
wait, wait.
ages we haven't fought. Get the gun.
That's true. But my screen is oily. Well,
Yeah,
oily means
that happens.
not
Sweaties.
oil, but yeah.
Oh, another
I
PP19.
need guns
I'm going for the
first.
fight if they don't kill me.
GKS.
I got PP19 and Locust. Like, what should I do with Locust right now?
Right now you got to.
Bro.
Oh, I see him. He's in front of me. Oh, bro, both of them are in front of me.
Coming. Let's do. Oh, bro, they're here. Bro, they're everywhere. You got this, bro.
Oh, bro, they don't have guns.
Got one guy. Lol, kid.
Bro, let him. Don't kill him.
They have guns. Oh. Bro, another guy. Another guy. Please kill him. I'm using first aid kit. My health's damn low.
Oh, bro. Help.
Did I get
Help.
it?
You help me.
Oh. Bro, reload. Lol.
Bro, help. Bro, my thing is in
Wait,
10
it's not
HP.
help. Yeah, chill. Okay, according to me, I got 4 kills, and I wish we win this match. To. It was crazy.
Bro, I need some medikits.
I need heals.
I need
I'm
heals.
totally out of them.
I'll go for the back one guy. I need heals.
Bro, he has armor plate. What should I do with armor plate? Oh, wait.
Oh, bro, one more guy.
Another guy? Oh, bro, they're damn far. He's sniping, I guess. I have sniper. No problem there.
Bro, I need help.
I have one med
I'm in
kit.
10 HP.
I found
Wait,
one
I'm using these healers
Yeah,
or whatever.
yeah.
Bro, I'm putting this.
Yeah,
After
bro.
this.
There is smoke action going on here. You need to see this. Okay, bro, they're right under me. One guy's right under. Bro,
I use
why
this,
the
bro. I
scope
need.
for PP19, huh? I'm following him. Okay, bro, I shouldn't have followed him. He's following me now. Bro, Aryan, where are you?
I am.
Bro, it's damn scary here. Oh, bro, Aryan, come on the hut.
I can't.
You have airborne, no?
The airborne is gone. Although it's far enough.
Bro, that guy
Yeah,
stole
now
my
it's
kill.
gone.
Nice. He stole my kill. Bro, why is there so much smoke?
Bro, I'm in 68 HP.
I have full 100 HP. I have no problem that. I have no meds though. Bro,
Oh, he's in your house. He's there.
I can't see him. Can you see him?
Yeah, but not now.
I'll rush.
He came near my side. No.
Oh, wait, if I go
bro.
there, I can see him.
Oh, bro, I shot him.
I see him. Bro, how is the bullet just going through him? Bro, he's putting too much smoke, which is irritating me. Oh, okay. He is putting a lot of smoke in there.
A few moments later.
Damn boring here. Like, he's not even moving.
I don't have.
Smoke is here, bro. I'm going to this house. I'm going on this house. Bro, you went down? You made a bad decision.
Yeah, by mistake. Oh, shit. Bro, I was in like 10 HP.
I know, no problem.
Couldn't do anything. There's only one guy, but
I know, bro, but that one guy is also one guy.
bro, put Locust guy. No, I hate him, but I hate him a lot. I hate him a lot.
Bro, it's
I was
damn
about to say
scary.
I hate him, but
I have only
Oh, bro.
10%. I have only 10 ammo. I will loot a little and I will come.
bro, the guy's near you. It's one more guy's near you.
Nah, no problem. Oh, echo is here. Should I just take the echo? Nah, not interested with echo anymore. Okay, I guess I shouldn't have got down the house.
You have the thing, bro. Zone. We can't win. Leave.
Nah, we got this.
Leave the hope of winning. We can't win, bro. He's
Last
going to
hope.
kill you.
I'm gonna clutch the match. Let's see. I'm rushing.
Oh, bro, he's going. He's going. Wait. Bro, take my stuff and give me, like, I don't have good. Bro, my PP19 was awesome. Take it.
Bro, I have PP19. Oh no.
But the skin.
Ninja. Go. Oh, that was
And
quick.
bro, in my PP19, I guess ammo is there.
Yeah.
I'll leave. Just run. Take the vehicle.
I found a car there. I'm waiting for him.
Bro, it's right there.
Where?
Who are you waiting for?
That guy itself. To kill him.
Bro, he went off. What do you think?
Where? He went?
Yeah, through car he went.
Lol. I was waiting for him. I'm at circus, boy.
You're not.
Oh, you cannot reach so.
Why can't I reach circus?
Oh, bro. I'm out. Not in the water.
Why?
Shit, bro, I'm dead.
Bro, where should I
Bro,
go?
I'm dead.
Why?
I'm gone. Bro, there are two.
Bro,
dudes near
circus
me.
also people.
Bro,
Bro,
there are two
everywhere they are
dudes
doing
near me.
people.
I lost my car in the water, flood. Flood happens,
Oh, I
Lol,
got some stuff
look at
which
him.
I'm using.
Lol, I killed him. Bro, you had to see what he was doing there. Bro, it
What was he
like-
doing?
He was simply sitting next to the tree, bro. I killed him. Kid. His teammate has to come.
Bro, why am I not able to use the saddle line?
I had a
Oh,
line, you
bro.
can't use it. How, bro?
A guy's near me with a car. Yeah, he went. Run. I don't have guns, solely I'm saying.
Bro, here.
Oh,
this
snowboard.
is- Bro, you're an estate.
Yeah, circus one guy was coming. What could I do?
Oof. Ooh la la, not to be greedy, but I'm taking his loot. Does he have a snowboard? Please tell yes. Dang, his snowboard.
Oh, bro, Chopper came here. Help.
Bro, I must.
Oh, Chopper is coming to circus. Lol.
I am gone. Clear death. On the house, please. Nice. Oh. Oh, bro, I'm gone. Bro,
What
how is he
happened?
not dead?
Bro, estate, so many people are there. Circus, I'm coming there.
Bro, there are tons of people here. That guy did not die only. Got him.
I'm coming to circus with pistol.
Bro, how is he not dying? I have no ammo.
Bro, you're not in circus?
No, I couldn't even reach circus.
Bro.
Bro, I need a heavy ammo gun as quick as possible. Yes, Val, please get that. have
I
no
need
much-
any gun.
AK-117. Thanks. Oh, bro, life set level 2 west. Oh,
Holger.
you have a hole.
Right now, I'm using Holger.
Climb up. Abbe, do something in life, bro. Oh, I have 4
What
adder
happened, bro?
lines.
Don't scare me.
Bro, I have 4
Oh,
adder
bro.
lines.
I have 0 medikits. 4 ad.
I see him. Come on. Get that. I don't want him anymore. He is dead.
Oh, bro, Locus.
There's a chopper here.
Bring it now.
Wait, don't tell he is camping here. Oh, she's. He saw me. He was waiting for me to peek.
I need backpack.
Bro, would you like mine to come here? I'm damn scared right now. Yeah, that's why I'm scared. He is eating all the lethal grenades he has on me. No, wait, he's not throwing all the lethal. He's not throwing any grenades, but you know, he's shooting back.
It's me, which.
No, bro, there are two dudes near me, same team.
Come.
How should I come? Where should I come?
Bichara Mohit.
Abe, no, Ninja is also not. Oh.
Bro, come here. I'll
Bro,
put.
no, don't
I'm
come, bro,
putting
they're everywhere.
airborne.
Bro, they're here. Don't. They're under my
I
house.
put airborne. Come here.
Where are you?
I put airborne here. I'm right here. Bro, come and I put airborne.
You go, I'll come.
I'm coming
Bro,
near you.
see,
Oh, bro,
you
he's
take
in
the
your.
chopper.
He's in your thing.
Bro, you take the chopper there. There's a chopper there. Don't come here. There's a chopper there. Take it. And come here. Got the chopper.
Thanks for the chopper, boys.
Lol, he climbed up and he died. That's why you shouldn't be too much over smart, my friend. Stay there.
Come. I got the
No,
chopper.
I am killing him. 1 second. I am killing him.
Alright.
He made me to use.
Oh, bro, chop.
Bro, don't come here.
Bro, 44%.
Did you just?
I can't, bro. I have to leave this chopper now.
Bro, I am. Alive.
Sorry. I'm coming near you. I'm leaving this chopper.
He's going. He went off. Bro, he's coming near you now. Oh my god.
Matlab he had. Oh,
Bro, there's snipers.
bro.
There's snipers here. There's snipers there. Behind. Behind that tree, there's a sniper. I knocked him down.
Oh, bro, why did I come down?
Got him. 3 years. Oh, bro, he's running. Take the sniper out.
Bro, I'm down.
No. Another guy hit him bad. He was sniping me. Bro, they're very.
Bro, see me. Where am I? How do I come up?
You can't come up. Oh, bro, there was a guy dead body here. Take it if you want. I mean, yeah, I should not tell dead body, but there was a guy's body here. He had.
Bro, I need backpack.
It's there. It has to be.
I put this.
Oh yeah, let's go. Bro, into the zone. I'm going into the zone. You take the backpack if you want.
No, I'm coming with you itself. Backpack and all.
Bro,
No
circus.
need, boys.
Circus. We'll have a good place too.
Bro, circus, there's nothing.
No. Oh, that's.
I
almost
itself came
near
from
the
here.
zone.
Oh, bro.
What happened?
Truck.
Oh yeah. Get it. Where is it?
Oh, I see him. I'm sniping him. Wait.
Did he get down?
Yeah.
How much kills?
Oh, bro,
I
someone's
got
putting.
8.
Oh, bro.
Must. Oh.
I killed him.
Oh, I got
Someone
snowball.
put spotter. There's one more guy.
Yeah, where is he? You got locus also?
Yeah, he's there itself.
Mark. I can't see.
There are two people.
Mark it.
They're
Oh,
there.
Okay.
They're
They
there.
have to come. I see them. Bro, he's not able to use his snowboard.
Lol.
Don't tell they're going to the thug. Bro, run. Bro, I am going. I don't know how you are going to come. Why am I not able to go fast? Bro, come fast. Come as quick as possible.
Even I have snowboard.
Oh, then come, bro. Lol. Bro, where should we go? The zone is so bad.
Bro, I'm not able to use my snowboard, so I'm coming through.
Bro, there's
Like,
a guy
walk.
behind me. There's a guy behind me. He's giving me bad damage. Bro, where are you? Can you please come here?
I'm
scared.
car. I'm coming through. Oh, bro, someone's sniping.
Tank! Bro, I
Attack
sat off
the
in
tank, bro.
I sat off in tank. I'm using my adrenaline. I'll stay some happy life in here and I'll come back. Bro, Bro, why did you leave the tank, huh? No, what should I teach you? Huh? What you learned in Call of Duty. You shouldn't ditch tanks. Bro, the bazaar he has with adrenalines. Oh my god.
Thanks, bro.
Bro, come here. I'll give
He
you
and all
the
helped
adrenalines.
me.
Come here.
He helped me too much. How much adrenaline do you have?
Bro, he was
You go first.
Bro, wait. Take a good position. Not outside the zone.
Bro, why outside?
Oh my god. 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 Bro, run. Bro, run into the zone. They're camping up there. Like how we were doing. Oh. Bro, come back here. Come back here. It's total clear. Oh,
I'm camping
bro,
there.
I died. Bro, come. Please. Come. Bro, come fast, no, please. Hello.
Yeah. Oh, bro.
I'm gone. Bro,
Sorry.
he had Arctic
Shit,
50.
bro.
Okay, only 4 left. It's fine. 4 left. It's a 1v.
We can't win because I'm not good at
2v1.
playing.
Bro, from behind, a guy is going to come. From behind, he had Arctic 50. He killed me with a headshot. I don't know what to say.
Location exposed.
Yeah, they have this thing. I forgot its name. Bro, in the zone. He's coming. Bro, sniping. Yeah, nice. Oh, nice, must. Bro, run in. Fast, use your adrenaline. Yeah, nice. You're gone. Ah,
Oh,
it's fine.
bro.